Hello, today we'll be comparing SIFENE single-serve coffee machine 3-in-1 pot coffee maker for UK pot capsule versus Mecity coffee maker, a mini single-serve coffee machine compatible with K-cup capsule. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. So let's start. Type of coffee. SIFENE is the winner. Brewing capacity is Thai. Brew strength control is also Thai. Hot and cold coffee is Thai. Milk frother is Thai. Programmability is Thai again. Ease of use, SIFENE is better. Water reservoir is Thai. Cleaning is Thai. Footprint and design, Mecity is better. Heating element is Thai. Build quality, SIFENE is the winner. Special features, SIFENE is the winner. Suitability, SIFENE is the winner. Price, Mecity is better. What's best for depends of your needs. Next, coffee quality, SIFENE is better. And durability, SIFENE is better too. So if you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be this SIFENE single serve coffee machine 3-in-1 pot coffee maker for K pot capsule. The link to buy it is in the video description.